love our life.
LA life is beautiful.
I like this music. Hola, buenos dias, and welcome to today's vlog. I'm with my amazing, adventurous Sagittarius sister. Say hello. Hello. We are in a colectivo here in Playa del Carmen on our way to an amazing car-free island called Holbox, right? Holbox. It sounds, it's the way it's spelled, it looks like whole box, but it's actually Holbox. So yeah, it's gonna be about 2 hours from where we're at now, and then we have to take a ferry. So it's gonna be quite an adventure, but we love adventure, right? We do. Vámonos! Okay guys, so we just got dropped off in the city of Tequila.
It's gonna be fun.
These are the taxis. So we just got dropped off at the hotel. Let's go check it out. I love how colorful the buildings are.
Make yourself at home.
Thank you.
We have some empanadas for welcome and some beers for welcome.
Wow. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Magical.
So this is yours.
Gracias.
As soon as you make yourself at home.
Wow. Look at this lamp. Oh my god, and there's Hindu gods here. Wow, this was totally meant to be. My life. Alright guys, so we are on our way to go find some lunch. It's been a long travel day, so we are both very hungry girls right now. Chicken quesadillas for me, and this is tuna. Wow. And of course some guacamole. And an amazing view. Oh my god, that lunch was so good. So we are going to take a nice stroll along the beach. I rented a bike and I am on the hunt for some good coffee. Okay guys, I was told this place has super amazing coffee. Let's go see. Hola.
Hola. ¿Qué tal?
Bien. I heard you guys have amazing coffee.
The best on the island.
Good to know. I will have an iced mocha.
Sure.
And do you have soya milk?
Yeah.
With soya milk.
Okay. I have soy, almond, and coconut.
Soya is fine.
Okay. Tú ya no estás como tú dices. A ver, espero que no.
I love my life.
I love you, baby. And if it's what you find, I need you, baby. To our lonely night, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby. Now that we don't pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. I love you, baby. And if it's what you find, I need you, baby. To our lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say.
It's been a beautiful day here in Holbox, so I am on my way to go watch the sunset. And the magical thing about watching the sunset here is you actually can, because in Tulum it was impossible to see the sunset. You can only see the sunrise because of the positioning. So I'm super excited to see a sunset. Vámonos! How long have you guys been traveling?
2 months.
Oh
Since
my
beginning
God.
of December, went to Mexico City, Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca, beautiful. Mexico's a place to be, and this is a sanctuary. It's beautiful. There's no better place. Yeah, now in Holbox, and met beautiful Jessica. Yes.
We love our lives.
Life is beautiful.
When your friend shows up with a pizza. Buenos dias, everyone. I am with Martin.
Hola.
He's gonna show us a little bit more around the hotel because we didn't get a chance to see all of it yesterday.
This is the gym.
Wow. Nice. I love that painting. And this must
That's
be the yoga shala.
Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. Release and let go. días.
¿Cómo estás?
Lunchtime.
Like if it's my song and this one for you. You can tell everybody this is your song and make quiet simply by all that is done. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world.
Alright guys, so we just went back to the hotel to change and we are renting a golf cart to drive around the island. This shall be fun.
From. Oh, okay.
Okay, where shall we go? Oh my god, this is so loud and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have no idea where we're going, but this shall be fun. Whoa. Alright guys, so our first stop is a cemetery. I mean, we weren't planning to come here, we just sort of stumbled upon it, so let's go check out the Holbox Cemetery. Well, that was sad. Can we go somewhere a little more cheerful? Yeah. We're all gonna die one day. We just have to do the things that we want to do now. Live, love, travel. Hey guys, we just picked up some people. Say hello. Alright guys, so we just parked our golf cart and we are walking towards Puta Coco, something like that. It's the very end, the opposite end of the island. Wow.
Okay. How many coconuts?
Alright guys, no straw because they're being very conscious of the environment, which is a great thing. The downside is I'm gonna get this all over me. Salud! Actually no, it's actually pretty easy to. Amo mi vida!
Amas tu vida, muy bien.
Water is just so clear and pristine. I love my life. I love adventure. We just got to Punta Mosquito. And you're gonna show us how to get there, right?
Yep, and a really beautiful place to go.
Oh,
A nice walk.
nice.
And if it's not a nice walk, at least you're gonna see a lot of kiting.
A lot of kiting.
People doing
Okay.
kite surf.
What about pink flamingos?
Pink flamingos. Maybe you can see one or two.
Okay.
Right now is not the best season to watch them. Okay, so maybe you will have to get a little bit wet if you want to go and visit Punta Mosquito. You have to go and cross to the sandbar, and then from the sandbar you can start walking.
The sandbar
Right here. So you have to cross the water. The water level is around here, not that high. So from here you can walk all the way down there, where you can see kind of like a white sign. That's Punta Mosquito. That's the limit where you can go.
where the white thing is?
Yeah, the
on
white thing
beach?
at the end, that's the limit where you can go.
Okay.
After that, you cannot keep going further.
Let's see.
Yeah, you sure you want to do it?
Let's see. The adventure has begun. It's getting deep! It's getting deep! So we just got to get to right there where the sandbar is. It's not so far. I think we got it. Alright guys, so we just turned in our golf cart and we are walking to find something sweet but healthy. How was the golf cart experience for you?
It was really great, really nice. Very bumpy, but very nice.
Hola, we're back. Oh my god, this looks delicious. Thank you. Oh my god. I could have shared one. It's okay. Me canta, me canta. So it's our last night here in Holbox and we are determined to see the sunset. So fingers crossed that it's not cloudy and we can see it.